In a tranquil village, life unfolds at a gentle pace. Small huts dot the landscape, their thatched roofs glowing in the golden light. Fields of wheat sway softly, kissed by the evening breeze. Children laugh, chasing each other, their joy echoing through the air. The towering mountains stand guard, majestic and timeless. As the sun dips lower, the sky transforms into a canvas of oranges and pinks. Villagers gather, sharing stories and laughter, their faces illuminated by the warm glow. This is a moment of peace, where nature and community intertwine, creating a perfect harmony that soothes the soul.